Well, welcome. We're very excited to start off a new school year and excited to be here today at both North and South Hart Elementary. This past summer, we did some interior renovations for both schools. It's crazy, but both schools are 22 years old, so they were in need of some renovations. What you'll see inside the schools is new polished concrete flooring. It looks really good. All of our student restrooms have been refinished with an epoxy flooring that's got some orange and black and white and gray specks in it. It looks really good, ties in our school colors. And then you'll see in the classrooms, we've got new carpet. Our lunchroom's been renovated. We got new sound panels. It looks really great in here, and we're excited to get everybody back in the building and just welcome everybody back. So we just appreciate your support, and we appreciate you voting for eSplost, and we'll use those eSplost dollars to continue further projects in our system. We hope to see you in the schools throughout the year, and just remember, we are one heartbeat in Hart County.